How to make PNG image on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open the photo that you want to convert to PNG. Tap on the information icon at the bottom. You can see the photo is saved in JPEG format. Now, tap on the share icon as shown. Here, you can view all the sharing options available. Scroll down and tap on Save to Files. Choose the folder you want to save it to and then tap on Save. Now, go back and open up the Files app. Go to the folder where you just saved the photo. Press and hold the photo and then select Quick Actions. Here, go to Convert Image as shown. Then, choose the format to PNG. You can also choose the size of the image from here. As you can see, the new PNG file you just created will also be saved in the same folder. Open the photo and tap on its name at the top. You will see the photo is in PNG format. Following these steps, you can easily make a PNG image on an iPhone.